Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Melee. First, decide if you want to play on original hardware or through emulation. Original hardware means finding a Nintendo GameCube and a physical copy of the game, which can be a fun treasure hunt. Emulation, on the other hand, allows you to play on your computer or other devices, often with improved graphics and online play. Both methods have their unique advantages, so choose what best fits your setup and preferences. To set up emulation, your first step is to download a trusted emulator such as Dolphin. This software is available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next, you will need a game file, commonly known as an ISO for Super Smash Bros. Melee. Once you have both, open the emulator, load your game file, and then spend a few minutes configuring your controller and graphics settings. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience. If you prefer the authentic feel, playing on original hardware is straightforward. You will need a Nintendo GameCube console and a physical copy of Super Smash Bros. Melee. Connect your GameCube to your television using the standard AV cables, which typically include yellow, white, and red plugs. For the most precise and responsive gameplay, it is highly recommended to use official Nintendo GameCube controllers. This setup provides the classic experience many competitive players still favor. Once you are set up, there are many ways to enhance your Melee experience. Dedicate time to practicing advanced techniques such as wave dashing and L canceling. These are crucial for competitive play. Joining online communities and forums can connect you with other players, offering opportunities for practice and learning new strategies. If you are playing on original hardware, consider using a CRT television, as it significantly reduces input lag compared to modern displays, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.